Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the Swoopy Swinground. The Swoopy Swinground looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I'd like to thank my friend Russell Payne for teaching me this one years and years and years ago. Thank you very much for that. I think there's even a rumour that he may have been the guy who came up with this one. So starts off man's left, lady's right. We're going to go in and hook the elbows as if you're going to do some kind of country dancing. So we're coming in, brings the lady forwards, and we effectively make a kind of wing shape down the right hand side. We throw the lady's arm through, so we link at the elbows. This is going to help us bring the lady around the back. We're going to offer the other arm the other side as the lady comes round. We're actually getting a transfer, so we're popping off on the right side as we link up on the left. And there's variations on this as well, which we'll come to at a later date. But we're just bringing the lady past us with the left. We're backing up. We're going to slide our hand up so we get the fingertips behind the elbow, so we can direct the lady into a spin where we've got to clear our arm nice and quickly. Catch, return, and back. Let's do that again from the other side with some numbers. We go back 1, link 2, transfer 3, spinning 4, catching 5, returning 6, and back 7. Let's do it. 5, a 6, a swoopy swing round. It's a back, link, link, spin, catch, return, and back. That's it for the swoopy swing round. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate move. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Cheers. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.